Bore da, plant. Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to our first assembly, virtual assembly, that is. I thought it would be a nice thing to do just to say hello to everybody and to make sure that everybody was okay and to let you know that we're all thinking about you at school and we can't wait to see you all as soon as we possibly can. Today's assembly, I'm not going to tell you what it's about because I'd like for you to listen to the following story and to maybe guess at what you think the theme is. So I'll read the story and then we'll have a little chat. Lion was a huge animal with big, sharp teeth. Many animals were afraid of him because he was fierce and he had a very, very loud, frightening roar. Well, one day he was fast asleep when a little mouse ran right across his face. And with a start, Lion woke up. He was really angry and caught the mouse with one big scoop of his enormous paw. "Oh, spare me," cried the mouse. "Please, please don't kill me. One day I may be able to repay you if you save my life." Lion laughed. "Ha ha 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 ha. How could a little mouse possibly help me? After all, he was king of the jungle." However, Lion, because he was in a good mood that day, decided to let the mouse go. Well, sometime later, Lion was out in the jungle when snap, he was caught in a hunter's ropes. How the mighty creature roared and roared and roared. Well, the little mouse heard him and came to his rescue. She gnawed and gnawed at the ropes until they fell apart and Lion was freed. "You laughed when I said that one day I would repay you," said Mouse, "but now you can see that even a mouse can help a lion." So have you got any ideas of what you think the theme of our assembly might be about today? Well, some of you might and some of you might not. But what we're actually talking about today, boys and girls, is kindness. Because there were two acts of kindness in that story. The first act of kindness was when Lion decided to let the mouse go and not gobble him up. And the second act of kindness was when Mouse decided to repay the lion's act of kindness and help him get free from the trap. And I think it's just important for us all to remember to be kind. You always are kind when you're in school, boys and girls. I see it every day out in the playground when you're being kind to each other and kind to your friends. And I think it's really important that we try and always be kind as much as we possibly can. Sometimes it's easy if we're in a bad mood to say something that's not very nice. But it's always important to say sorry in those instances. And it's always important to try and be kind and helpful and considerate, even at difficult times when you're tired or you feel a little bit low. Just try and be kind. Well, it's been lovely talking to you, boys and girls, and I can't wait to talk to you again this time next week. Goodbye for now. Have a lovely week. Make sure you get out in the sun, have a walk, have some fun, do a little bit of work, and most importantly, stay safe. Bye.